Hey y'all, Nate here, Nate's Classic Cars. We're back again, this time with a 1969 Mach 1. This is a 428 Q code, so you don't get the shaker hood. You get a flat hood with the scoop. This is finished in its original color of black jade with black interior. So with black jade, you got the gold stripe, gold Mach 1 stripe. They ran that all the way throughout the back, as you can see. You get those Mach 1 tailpipes. They got the slotted GT wheels with the plain Jane center buttons. You can see that 428. This is a matching numbers drivetrain car. So this is an early build. This was actually built, one of the earliest. It's built in December of 68, which we'll show you on the Marti Report. Well optioned car. They actually optioned this one with AC, 8-track stereo. Sorry, we got a little police chase in the back here, sounds like. But you can see black jade paint, beautiful throughout this car. I think this car is best described as a show driver. So not a full-blown concourse car like you see a lot of times here at Nate's Classic Cars. But anybody that wants to get in one, go have fun on the weekend, show it on Saturday, show it on Sunday, and really stand out, this is that car. So again, not a full-blown concourse car, but a damn nice show driver. And this one runs and drives good. I'll show you guys that here in a little bit. But you can see, nice paint on it. Full blackout hood treatment done on this one. We pop the hood. So 428, you can see the correct Q code. Air cleaner base there. You got the original valve covers on this one. Here's your AC setup. Still got the Fomoco tag down here. So very well sorted car, very well detailed car. Extremely nice show driver, like I said. So this is a touch and built car. So you get the buck tag up here, and you can actually see there 9T02Q. All right, obviously the 5th digit in any Ford is what engine came in it. The 2nd digit is where it got built. So let's start with number 1. 9 would be 69. T would be Metuchen. If this was a Ford Dearborn car, it would be F. And if it was a San Jose car, it would be R. And then you get 02, meaning fastback. And then Q being the 5th digit. That's the engine. So 428 non-ram air Q code, which is exactly what you get here. Like we said, matching numbers, engine, tranny. Very well sorted car throughout. We'll take you onto the interior. So black Deluxe interior with the Mach 1. So you can see beautiful door panels. Original seat covers still on this one. Fold down rear seat. So we'll fold that up. Show you guys just how nice it is. C6 automatic. 8-track, that is an option. You see all the way throughout. Very beautiful car. You can see that Carlite Glass. I like to show that. Having that original glass is nice. So we can see that throughout. Take it to the other side. Again, another very nice door panel. Nice interior. So, very well sorted car. Good running, driving car. You know, Mach 1s are extremely hot right now, especially 69s. You get the 4 headlights. It's a really good look. This one with all the black looks good on black jade. So you can see nice original body on this one. It's got original floors. You can see those original quarter panels on both sides. Show you a little overview of the trunk. You get a full-size spare. And then you look down here at the Marti Report. You can see that's how early it was built, December 12th, 68. You see those options: tilt, power steering, power brakes, sport deck rear seat, AC, AM, 8-track, and tint glass. So well option car. Always good to get a well option car. And that's what we got right here. So tell you what we'll do, we'll fire it up. I'll walk around it with it fired up, and then we'll take it down the road, show you guys just how well this one drives, and we'll go from there. But she's going to be for sale here at Nate's Classic Cars. So if you're looking for a 69 Mach 1 that isn't outrageously priced like most of them now, this will be a good one for you. So we're going to hop in, fire it up, and we'll go from there. We got Paul on the inside. This is a cold start. We've been out here shooting the video and doing pictures. So as you can see, fires up good. Good sound to it. We'll do a complete stroll. We'll have Paul give it a couple rev ups here in the back. Sounds good. Those GT tips. Oh, I did a bad job of shutting this door earlier, so we'll shut that. Good gaps and lines. That's what you get when you get good original metal. Pop the hood. If I can get them. As you can see, good running, good sounding engine. All right, we'll take her down the road, show you guys just how well this matching numbers Mach 1 drives. All right, we got the Cobra Jet fired up. We're taking it down the road. Matching numbers, 428Q code with C6 transmission. As you can see, she runs and drives smooth. Gets going down the road well. Shifts smooth. It's a real good running and driving car here. Gauge is working, speedo working. Very smooth down the road. So happy to have this one here at Nate's Classic Cars. It's Mach 1, 69 Mach 1s are hot right now. That's why we hopped on this one. Happy to have it for sale here. We're gonna price this one in the upper 80s. I think it's gonna move pretty quick, being a matching numbers Mach 1. And if you guys got any more questions or need any more information, feel free to reach out to us, and we'll get you what you need. Stay tuned for more to come. We always got some badass Mustangs coming in, and we'll see y'all in the next one.